Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the Crypto.com Visa card. So first you need to sign up. I will put you the link in the description. It will be my referral link and you will get $25 of CRO if you get the card. So once you sign up you can go to here and you can go to crypto wallet. And here you will have all your crypto listed here and you can buy some by clicking on here. As you can see, I already have some Chronos and I'm going to get the Indigo card with you right now. I'm going to click on card, then I will select the card I want, which is the Royal Indigo. So as you can see, I have 3% of card cashback. I can go to the airport lounge. I can also have a 100 cashback on my Spotify and Netflix subscription. And as it is mandatory to get the card to stake CRO, I have 10% of CRO rewards annually. To get this card, you have to stake 3,500 CRO, but most people take the Ruby Steel card, which give a 2% card cashback and an entire cashback on your Spotify subscription. And you just need to stake $500 worth of CRO to get this card. And staking means to lock some crypto, CRO coins in this case. And when you lock this crypto, you have an annual reward. And of course, apart from the staking, there is no monthly fee, annual fee, or deliver fee to get the Visa crypto card. So I'm going to take the Royal Indigo card. I click on select Royal Indigo card. I click on continue. As you can see, I need to stake 3,500 euro worth of CRO during 180 days. I click on purchase and all CRO. So as you can see, you can pay this amount directly in card, but in my case, I will select the Chronos amount I have on my wallet and I'm going to click on stake. I click on confirm. Okay, so now we completed the first step. I successfully have put in staking my CROs. Now I have to accept the Visa terms and conditions. I click on confirm. I click here. Now I have to fill in my address. I click on get started. I have first to select my country of residence, France. I have to enter my address informations. Okay, so now you click on next. You wait a little bit. You click on tap. And then it's done. You have to wait for the card to be issued and sent to your address. And as you can see, I received this email that basically say that I can check the issuing status of the card directly on the crypto app. I saw on the website that you have to wait from 7 days to 14 days. And 1 month ago, my friend received his card and he received it in approximately 10 days in France. But I also saw on Reddit that it can take more than 14 days. So I will update you in the description and I will say how many days I had to wait before receiving my crypto card in my mailbox. If you haven't signed up yet on crypto.com, you will find my referral link in the description and you will get $25 of CRO. And you can also enter this code during your sign up when they ask for a referral code, and I think it will also work. So guys, I can't wait to receive this card. I will make an unboxing video on my channel maybe. I hope you liked this video. Feel free to comment if you have any question. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you later for another video. Bye.